today how I make my business thank you cards at home for free. I actually do pay to get them printed out 10 cents per thank you card, but I think it's 100% worth it because if I were to use my own printer at home, it would cost a lot of money to print these out. And I love how glossy and beautiful they are. So 10 cents each for each card, I feel like is amazing. So if you guys want to see how I custom make these at home on my phone and send them in to get printed, just keep watching.
I'm going to start by opening Phonto. So we are going to go to plain images and we're going to just click on the black one and click custom, and then we're going to do 6 by 4. Then we're going to click use. So obviously we're going to change this color, so we want to add an item. We're going to add the square, and we like this pink square. You guys can change the color by clicking color and pick from any of these colors that they have here, and you can change all that there, but we're going to use this pink because I love this pink. So we're going to make this the same size as this original black square. So we're going to increase the width here, and perfect. And I'm just going to move it down a bit and maybe just do like one more size up. Perfect. So now we're going to go into our photos. Photo is actually already transparent. I use the eraser app to do that, which is really easy. So you can pretty much use any picture and then you can make it transparent, or you guys can use the same color background as the original image. This is actually my logo that I got done by a professional artist. So I'm going to just put that about right there. And then I'm going to add the text. So for the text, I'm going to say thank you, and we're going to make that a little bit bigger. And I always like to add this stroke of a color because I always think it looks a lot better like that. See how it looks more bold and just more professional. So we're gonna say thank you, and then underneath it, we're gonna use add text again, but we're gonna change the font. So right now I have this font. We're gonna change it to the font called Lobster. I really like how that font looks, and it looks really good with that other font that I always use. There we go. And we're gonna say for your order. And then of course we are going to make that also how we did the other one, but I'm actually going to do that reversed. Like that. So now that that part is done, now we can go ahead and move on to this side over here. So I like to add my socials over here. So using the lobster again, the lobster font, we're gonna say stay connected. And I think about right there is perfect. Then I'm gonna just make that one white and do that same stroke method again because I really like how it looks. Now I'm gonna show you guys where you guys can add the adorable icons for your socials. So we're gonna go out here. This is the card that we're gonna be completing today. So you're gonna go to this website, it's called icons8.com, and you can type in any social media you want. So I already typed in Instagram for today's purposes, and they have these really cute icons. So I really like this cloud one, so we're gonna go ahead and use this one. So we'll open that one up, and then you just hold it down, add to photos, and you can add that right in. And what I love about this is that it's already transparent, so it looks really awesome. So we can add our Instagram there. Now I want to add TikTok, or you guys could also do this like with your YouTube channel or whatever social media you want to add. So, or Facebook, they have Facebook as well, I know for sure. So we'll go to TikTok icon, and then they also have the same exact cloud one, so we'll be able to have a cohesive thank you card. So we're gonna just click on that one and save that. Add to photos, go back to Phonto, perfect. So for today's purposes, I'm just gonna show you guys this part. And then you're gonna add what it is. So for my Instagram, I'm gonna add Baddieinbiz, and I'm gonna change this font. I'm actually gonna change it to a different font. There we go, that will be okay. Just like that, and then let's add our TikTok, Baddieinbiz. And what's perfect is it already shows that same font for you. And then I like to add a discount code for my customers at the bottom corner of this card. So we'll add that now. We're gonna center that text and we're gonna make this text black. Like this. Perfect. And I'm just gonna bring that down there so it fits nicely. And then of course you may have to play around with this a little bit to make it exactly the size that you want and to make it exactly how you want, but you guys get the point. Okay, so now it's looking a little plain. Honestly, you could really just make it look like this, and I still think this looks amazing, but I wanna make it look a little bit more fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to Google, and I'm gonna see if we can find some free art that we can use for our thank you cards. So I'm gonna go to Google, I'm gonna try to find some cute pictures that are free to use. Just make sure you put transparent, and that will help you find another transparent image, so then you won't have to be spending more time looking for one. So if you find an image that you really want, I'll show you guys how you can actually just erase the background really easily. So click add to photos, because not everything is going to be transparent. You're gonna go to your app store and download the eraser app. So you just upload an image using this, you click the erase button, and then you click target area, and it cuts out the whole background for you, which saves you tons of time. Click save. Go back to Phonto and upload your image. Looks so cute. Let's find one more image to add to our project. Make sure that you guys are always using free, non-copyrighted images to show consideration to artists. Now we're gonna go quickly back into Eraser and repeat the same thing that we did with the other image. This, sometimes even if it says it's transparent, sometimes it's not. So we just have to make it transparent, but it only takes a second, which is really awesome. So now that you're done with your thank you card, you're gonna go ahead and just click the save button. So you're gonna click on that and click save.
So now you're gonna either email or airdrop your image to your computer. Then you're gonna go on photos.walgreens.com and make an account with them if you have not already. Then you're gonna go to upload photos and upload the image. I actually already had mine here all set up, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on that now. So you can go ahead and then click on this picture and click order prints. And I really think if you're just starting a new business, all you really need is 100 of them. I feel like that's not too many and not too less, so I would do 100. And when you order 100, you wind up getting more of a discount, or it's easier to find a discount. You can probably still find a discount even with 50 or less. So then you're gonna go ahead and click proceed to cart. So I already applied the discount code here. I've been ordering from Walgreens for literally almost 6 months now, and there's always a discount code. All you guys have to do to find the discount code, because it will change, is you literally just Google coupon code Walgreens photo 4x6. All you need is a little bit of scrolling, and I literally just found the discount code right here. You guys can, they're so easily given out. So there will always be a discount code to get them for 10 cents. So each card is 10 cents, which equals $10. And then, of course, put the coupon code here, proceed to checkout, you'll pay here, and then your photos will be ready in an hour at your local Walgreens. So as you guys can see, this is the finished product. I think it looks so beautiful. I love the back, how you can write your own message on it, and then the front just looks super glossy, and I just absolutely love these. I will not print these any other way. It just works so well just going through Walgreens, and they have them ready in an hour. It's just super, super convenient. Hope this video helped you tons. I cannot wait to see where all your businesses go. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Hey, you guys.